Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively for Class 11. First, let's establish a solid foundation. Begin by creating a realistic daily and weekly study schedule. This helps you manage your time efficiently. Next, prioritize your subjects, focusing more on those you find challenging or that carry more weight in exams. Finally, allocate specific time slots for each subject to ensure comprehensive coverage and consistent progress. Now, let's talk about smart study methods. Instead of just passively reading, actively recall information. This means testing yourself frequently on what you've learned. Incorporate spaced repetition into your routine. Reviewing material at increasing intervals significantly boosts memory retention. Don't forget to practice solving problems and previous exam questions regularly to solidify your understanding and improve problem-solving skills. Maintaining focus and well-being is crucial for long-term success. Make sure to take short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Prioritize getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep nightly, as this is vital for memory consolidation. Also, maintain a balanced diet and stay well hydrated throughout the day to support your overall health and energy levels. Finally, consistent review and utilizing resources are key. Regularly revise all topics to reinforce your learning and ensure nothing is forgotten. Don't hesitate to utilize online resources, educational videos, and reference books for additional clarity on challenging concepts. And for those who love to read, the new Kindle Paperwhite offers a fantastic reading experience. Check the description below for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.